What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Daria Lashae. For those of you that are new, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. If you are a new subscriber, glad to see you here, and welcome to the tour. If you guys haven't seen my previous apartment tour, I don't even know how long ago I did it, but I'll put it somewhere right here. You can see the apartment that I used to live in versus this apartment now. To me, in some ways it's an upgrade, but then in some ways it's a downgrade. So I don't know, I'll let y'all, I guess, be the judge of that. But overall, I really do like the apartment. Me and my boyfriend both live here. And yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick little tour. Also, I haven't been posting a lot on YouTube. It's really just because of life in general. It's been getting super stressful, obviously, especially because YouTube does not make me income. So I've been having to kind of sacrifice a little bit, and the move and just a bunch of other things that's been going on. I'm still posting on YouTube. I just haven't been posting as much, but I am coming back with more content. Actually, I'm coming back with some different type of things. I want to start vlogging this little business that I am kind of maybe gonna start. I don't know. To be honest, it might not be a business. I'm just trying out like some things for me, and then if other people like it, then I would be open to basically starting to sell it. But it's just stuff that I want to do for myself, and then if if it gets some attention or if people like it, then I will obviously sell it. But yeah, I'm gonna be vlogging that, like just like vlogs, daily vlogs, things like that. So anyways, sorry about the long intro. Let's get into the video. This is the entrance of the apartment, the front door, obviously. I'll give you guys a quick little kind of overview. It is a loft. As you can see, there's not really a room. The room's up there and it's connected to like the whole thing. You guys know what a loft is. So yeah, so on this entranceway, I just have some mail that's actually not even our mail. That mail is for the people that used to live here, but I gotta somehow return that mail. And then we have some little photos right here, and then this fire mirror. I actually want a bigger one, but this one is pretty much good for now. Got a little plant right there and my boyfriend's chargers. And then over here, this is actually his like little gaming setup or whatever. He has monitor, PlayStation, all that stuff, not too special. Underneath it is just some like games down there, in here and in there, and then some of his random stuff. And then when you turn, little window right here. It's not too much of a view, it's just basic. When you turn this way, this is the couch. Now, I don't think I mentioned this, but this apartment it did come furnished. So this couch, as y'all can see, we really need to get a new one, but this couch came with the apartment. And so, yeah, it was furnished. And then so did this table. This table came with the apartment. Now this glass table we ordered from Amazon. If y'all saw my previous video, you would have already known that. But yeah, and then these little pictures we also got from, I got this for my birthday. I think it's from Amazon maybe though. And then this is, oh, I didn't show you guys this side. So this is the other side of the door. We have a little shoe rack right here. And then this TV came with the apartment. It came mounted on the wall. And then just some random stuff. These are actually some books that I need to take back to the library. And then these little remotes for the lights that we have that keep falling off this TV. It's so annoying. And then down here, we just have like electronics and stuff in there. And then we enter into the kitchen. This is the little kitchen area, which I really like a lot. It has my air fryer and deep fryer, comes with the washing machine. And then I actually added this light so that when I'm washing dishes, it, can light up the apartment a little bit. Added some little mirrors right here. And then we got our random kitchen stuff, nothing fancy. Little coffee area, fridge, which is honestly really tiny because I'm pretty sure expected one person to live here. So this is just a really small fridge and freezer, as well as the dishwasher. This is real small too. We have a little snack storage thing right here. And then these stools actually came with the apartment. It came with 2 of them. That stays under there. My boyfriend got me this little cute flower thing. Got some mugs. These little things up here, I don't have anything on them right now, just a random plant that's fake, obviously, and then a little invitation to my cousin's wedding. They're getting married, so cute. And then just some random stuff up there, microwave, obviously. trash can, nothing special. So then once you walk in from the doorway, we have this little bookshelf right here. Mostly all this stuff is literally from my other apartment, but yeah, we got blankets, books, my little t-shirt press that I honestly have no idea where I'm gonna put it. That's just sitting there for now. And then this is like a tiny little storage, not even storage, we just threw some stuff in there. We go into the bathroom and this is what it looks like. Nothing special, like I said. We're still kind of decorating. We moved in just a couple weeks ago, but I really needed to put out a video, so I'm gonna just give y'all this little tour of the bathroom. And then this is the sink. If you guys saw in my previous little video, we had double sinks, which I miss already so much. This one only has one sink, so it'd be a struggle sometimes, but it's okay. We got the storage now. Also, since this place has no like closets for real, my boyfriend literally has to keep his clothes like in the bathroom. Like this is where his clothes are because there's literally no storage. And you guys will see upstairs like what my clothes are in and how we make this small place work. But it does come with washer and dryer, which is amazing. You gotta love the washer and dryer. And yeah, that's pretty much it for like the downstairs area. So then once we walk upstairs, I be hating to use the bathroom because I always have to go down these stairs. But yeah, this is an overview of what it looks like up here. It honestly kind of looks like it's literally my room, but my boyfriend doesn't really own anything, so it's real easy to like kind of look like mine because he doesn't own a lot. So anyways, yeah, when you walk up these stairs, have a little rack of sweaters of mine, and then just some random perfumes and stuff up here. My boyfriend also got me this, so cute. All of these are just, you know, clothes, pajamas, random, whatever. And then this is my little clothing rack because we don't have a dresser, or not a dresser, because we don't have a closet. So I just keep my clothes up here, extra hangers and stuff down there. So yeah, that's the clothing rack. And then once you turn this way, I always have like whatever purse I'm currently wearing right here, just so I can grab it and go. A little dry erase board that we're currently not even using. Little TV section with extra purses and extra purses in there, right here, down there. This has like my Switch stuff, and then that one has like perfumes or like body sprays and lotions and whatnot. And then yeah, this is my little desk area that I kind of use for makeup, but also like business related stuff too. And then my little storage containers. I did paint this myself. I'm gonna get more into painting. This is so old. I'm so ready to make me a new vision board, but I just haven't yet. So I'm gonna make that a definite goal of mine coming soon. And then we have the little, this also came with the apartment as well. And then I just have my little iPad and just some random stuff up here, a little mini trash can and the bed. And that is honestly it, y'all. Like, there's really not much to it, but I do love the apartment overall. The lighting isn't too bad, although right now it kind of looks yellow. If you guys liked the apartment, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. If you liked the video, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. And stay tuned for my future videos because I am going to be posting like crazy. I have not forgotten about YouTube. That is still my passion and my overall goal. But, you know, other things come first as of right now. So, yeah. Peace out. See you guys in my next video.